Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of February, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 20th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.49. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of 4.60%. This translates to an average loss of 0.66% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $391.86 is breached, it will signal an increased rate of decline. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 8.54% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 9.72% and negative 0.386%. In terms of the longer term, our analysis over 12 months predicts a change of 0.601%. Based on our projections, the stock's performance could vary from negative 0.527% to 18.95% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $394.90 and $472.21. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Microsoft stock after gaining 1.14%. The Microsoft stock price increased by 1.14% on the last trading day, Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, rising from $392.53 to $396.99. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.85%, with a day low at $386.58 and a day high of $397.60. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 3.3% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 11 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 32 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $12.66 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $468.35, while the lowest price was $385.58. Currently, the price is 15.24%, or $71.36, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft plans to close Skype in May 2025, marking a significant shift as the company pivots its focus towards Microsoft Teams. This transition reflects the changing landscape of video communication, where platforms like Teams and Zoom have outpaced the once innovative Skype, which is now often likened to the rotary phone of communication tools. The decision to retire Skype, a service that has been a mainstay for over 2 decades, aims to streamline Microsoft's consumer communication services and align more closely with customer demands, especially in an era that requires integrated collaboration tools. This strategic move could enhance Teams' position in the market, fostering a more unified user experience. Initially, such bold actions may elicit mixed reactions from investors. While aligning with consumer trends could bolster Microsoft's valuation and stability, the discontinuation of a well-known product may raise concerns regarding user retention and brand identity. However, in the long run, a concentrated focus on Teams may lead to sustained growth, driving increased engagement with Microsoft's suite of products. Furthermore, with the broader technology market currently experiencing volatility, evidenced by the Nasdaq 100 being down nearly 8% from its recent highs, this restructuring presents a critical opportunity for Microsoft to strengthen its foothold in a competitive environment. Overall, these changes could affect the stock price by potentially providing a clearer trajectory for growth and revenue in the years to come. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a positive grade with a hold action. On the same day, Wells Fargo rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, UBS awarded Microsoft a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, Needham provided Microsoft with a hold grade, also with a hold action. On that same day, Piper Sandler rated Microsoft as neutral with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. Microsoft stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $402.22 and $418. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, February 27, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 1.14%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MSFT. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 22 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 17 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $392.53. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. Generally, the stock demonstrates very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. During the last day, the stock moved $11.02 between its high and low points, which is an increase of 2.85%. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.49%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.20. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $414.99. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $392.53. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 31st, 2025, Walmsley Emma N. conducted an insider purchase of 150,581 shares of restricted stock units. On January 31st, 2025, Stanton John W. conducted an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. On January 31st, 2025, Scharf Charles W. conducted an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. On January 31st, 2025, Rodriguez Carlos A. conducted an insider purchase of 255,987 shares of restricted stock units. On January 31st, 2025, Pritzker Penny S. conducted an insider purchase of 240,929 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 6.810. Overall, insiders purchased 537,927 shares and sold 460,630 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft displays several negative indicators, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 3rd of March, we expect Microsoft to open lower by $3.27, starting at $393.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.